We all have potatoes at home, but sometimes we're stumped on how to prepare them differently. Well, I've got the perfect solution for you. Let's start with a kilo of potatoes, the kind you always have at home. Peel them and then slice them thinly. Do this smoothly and repeat with the rest. Put the potatoes in a pot and cover with water. Add a teaspoon of salt, cover and cook on medium heat for 10-15 minutes. Meanwhile, on your cutting board, finely chop 150 grams of ham. While you're doing that, tell me, are you enjoying the recipe so far? Now grab 150 grams of mozzarella or your favorite cheese and grate it medium. And for an extra touch, add a sprig of cilantro or parsley if you prefer. Chop it finely as if you were a professional chef. When the potatoes are done, take them off the heat and drain the water. In a large bowl, place the cooked potatoes and add a cube of butter. Mash them well with a potato masher or fork until pureed. Alright, buddy? It's easier to do while they're still hot, so don't waste time. Once your puree is ready, add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, grated cheese, chopped ham, a pinch of salt, pepper, and a teaspoon of paprika. Don't forget the chopped cilantro too. Mix everything together smoothly until it's all well combined. So far, everything's going great. Now that it's all mixed, put the dough in a plastic bag. Seal it well and cut off the tip. Then head to the stove and fry them in hot oil for 5-6 minutes on each side until golden brown, just how you like them. Or if you prefer using an air fryer, go for it. They turn out delicious that way too. Once done, remove them from the oil and place on paper towels to drain excess fat. Buddy, I promise you'll never want potatoes any other way after trying this recipe. Can you imagine how amazing they'd be with your favorite sauce? I had mine with a bit of ketchup and they were absolutely incredible. Before I go, I want to give a special shout out to all my loyal supporters. Today's greetings go to Anna from California, Delia from Peru, and Mila and Eva Maria from Colombia. Thanks for always being there, my friends. If you try this recipe, let me know how it went and what we should cook together next.